Beautiful. But as I come towards that ramp at the last minute there, I want you to scream and lift me over, Grim Reaper, please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Here we go. If I feel right, I'm going to go. Woo! Oh, I'm alive! I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do that and I fell off and hit a rut or something. Oh, anyway, I'm alive! Oh, mate. Yeah, I did that thinking I was all clever and it just went sideways and I fell off. I banged my head. Ah, well then, that's it. That's it for the show. Finished it in style. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause for Karen and the Grim Reaper. And of course, Big Pete and all the gang. And a big round of applause for Bournemouth City Council for putting on this fantastic event. It's been absolutely amazing over the last few days. Hope to see you all back next year. From the Kangaroo Kid and Paul Hennam, thank you very much and goodbye.